Steam Trap Valve Market Report 2024, Steam Trap Valve Global Market Analysis. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global steam trap valve market size is $1,663.28 million in 2024. It will expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4.3% from 2024 to 2031. North America steam trap valve market size will be $3,580.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 2.8% from 2024 to 2031. Europe's steam trap valve market $1,247.46 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 2.8% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific steam trap valve market $956.39 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 10.0% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America steam trap valve market will be $207.91 million in 2024 and is estimated to grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa steam trap valve market will be $83.16 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.